If you want to remove Safe Search on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go in your X settings so you can turn off sensitive content filters and see more of the posts and media you actually want to view. This is super useful if search results feel too restricted or if certain media and posts are being hidden from you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer. Then log into your X account. Once you're inside X, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You should see the More option, usually shown as 3 dots. Click on that to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account, privacy, and content controls. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. That section controls what you see, what others can see, and how X handles sensitive or restricted content. After that, choose Content You See. This is the main area where you can adjust media and content visibility preferences. Here, you want to check the box that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Turning this on tells X to allow media that would normally be filtered out. Now go back and find Search Settings. Click on it, and you'll see another important option. Uncheck the box that says Hide Sensitive Content. This is the key step for removing Safe Search style filtering from your X search results. Once that box is unchecked, X will stop hiding many of the posts and results that are marked sensitive. After you've made those changes, you can simply go back to your feed or search page and start browsing again. Depending on your account and region, it may take a moment for the settings to fully update, but the changes usually apply right away. If you're not seeing the option, make sure you're logged into the correct account and check that you're using the desktop version of X, since menus can look slightly different on mobile. And that's it. You've now removed Safe Search on X and adjusted your content settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.